Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanma here, and it's time we fly the XK X110. That is the XK Blast X110. This is one of my most favorite 3D helicopters. So if you have learned to fly RC helicopters and you want to move up to more aerobatics you want to learn to fly aerobatics like inverted and do some 3D, this is one of the best helicopters that you will put your hands on. It's pretty durable, takes most of the abuse nicely. In my previous videos, I have abused this helicopter while doing 3D and it kept flying. Didn't break anything, it kept flying. And that is why this makes it one of the best RC helicopters to move on to when you want to learn to fly 3D. Or if you are expert, even if you're expert, you will enjoy this little helicopter. Now XK110, I'm not sure before it had a brushless motor or not, but this time it does have a brushless motor. And brushless motor means more power, more throttle response. Now I got the BNF version, and I have bound my Futaba radio with this helicopter, which was very easy. I will show you how to bind this helicopter with your Futaba radio, and I will also show you my Futaba radio's helicopter setup, pitch curves, throttle curves, and other stuff for this helicopter. Okay, so let's fly it. I'm really out of practice and I'm sure I'm gonna crash it a lot. And I also have a stick cam here for you, so you can see my stick moves on the Futaba. Let's do it. Alright, here goes nothing. Wow, this thing is fast, man. This thing is fast, definitely fast. I'm getting dizzier. Man, I'm seriously out of practice. Here comes the pain. Okay, I got my first inverted. Yeah, I can tell you I'm seriously out of practice. But man, it has a lot of power here. Check this out. This power is incredible. You can see I'm really seriously out of practice. Let's cut some grass, I don't know. Whoa. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. A little pyro flip. Whoa! I'm just doing this stupid inverted punches because I'm really seriously out of practice. Let's try to fly inverted backward. Wow, it's getting really fast. I really need more time on the flight simulators, or just more time on this helicopter. Okay, getting a little more confident. Well, we just cut the grass there. Almost hit ourselves. Okay, that was our first crash. I hear some kind of gear grinding. The most of the time when you break things, you will mostly break the gears. So far so good. That's what was the right roll. Okay, I think the battery is running out of power. And we crash again. Battery is definitely running out of power now. I'm also running out of forward pitch. I know what happens. I know what happened. Oh, look, our gear come out. Now that is not acceptable, man. Look, our gear came off. Okay, I'm gonna push the gear back in because that is why our pitch is disturbed completely. Let me just pull the battery out. Okay, push it down. I'm surprised there's no screw, nothing here for the gear to actually, hold here. There should be there's supposed to be a screw, right? Down here. Not sure why. So, now if I fly, it will just, as I go positive pitch, it will simply pull the rod up, the central rod up, and take the main gear out. Well, let me find a fix for this first, and then we will come back for more flying. Definitely, this is definitely much more powerful compared to the previous one, and I'm actually getting my skills back. So, wait for it, let me fix it, and we'll get back to it. Good practice. We are inverted again. Trying inverted backward flight in inverted mode. Fly slowly this time. No killing yourself. Inverted backward flight, inverted forward, inverted backward, inverted forward. Actually, I'm just rotating inverted. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.